Hello everyone, and welcome to J2 Cattle Farm. My name is Jackie.
And I'm Andrea.
Hey y'all, I'm Ashton.
And I'm Bryson.
And I'm Pawpaw Jack.
And we're the Farm Help.
And that is the family that makes our farm click. This is a new channel that we set up to document and hopefully provide others some insightful information related to our registered Black Angus cattle herd, our farming practices, construction, farm projects, and just about anything related to living a country life on a small farm. While we take an aerial tour of our farm and different pastures and hayfields, let me give a brief history of our farm. After college, when I was 22 years old, I reached out to Dad to see if he wanted to purchase a few head of cattle to run on our land. This was the beginning of our farm back in 2004. At that time, internet was nowhere near as big as it is today, and the information to help young first-generation farmers was just not abundant. If your family didn't farm or someone you knew wasn't in the cattle business, it was very difficult to get started, especially as a young 22-year-old straight out of college. Luckily, with off the farm income, our acreage has grown, our farm has grown, and I hope to share what I've learned and the mistakes made along the way that may provide help to others. Heck, you may see mistakes I'm making now in some of my current videos, and I just don't know it yet. I would like to create a platform where fellow cattlemen help each other with ideas, different ways to do things, and remove the stigmatism of competition between each other, especially in young family farms. We are a dying tradition, still trying to provide quality cattle and beef in an ever-changing world. As a Christian, I believe we should help each other where possible and treat people like we want to be treated. Our herd was built on the foundation of 6 cows that stem from SAV 8180 Traveler 004 that grew from 18 plus years of artificially breeding. Our website lists the AI sires we have used over the years to build our herd. It would have been much faster and easier to buy my way to quality genetics, but I take satisfaction in the years of mating choices, culling decisions based on performance, phenotype, genotype, and one of my most selective criteria, docility and feet. Calm cattle is probably my most important trait since the kids were born and raised around these cattle. Our primary markets that we serve is freezer beef, direct to the consumer, quality replacement females and bulls to our fellow cattlemen. Our beef customers will see exactly what it takes and what goes into raising quality, wholesome, healthy beef for their families. Our cattle customers can see the type of cattle we have and come here to see what is available for private treaty, to see if our genetics could help them in their operation. We plan to share videos that show clearing land for pasture, fencing, haying, planting, fertilizing, and of course cattle. We rarely hire anything out, so you'll get a front row seat to a jack of all trades and a master of nothing. I hope you like the content and subscribe as we go on our journey. Share some laughs, some bloopers, and learn from each other. We don't know it all, but we've learned a lot, and after 18 years of building the farm, from the earliest cattle to all the years of AI breeding successfully, the construction projects, barn builds, and a front row seat in the school of hard lessons, I'm sure there'll be content that each of us can relate to and learn from. So thank you for joining our family's farming adventure, and remember friends, if given the opportunity, help someone out today. Life does not always have to be a competition. God bless you, and thank you for subscribing and your support.